Hello and welcome back to Crafting with Amy. Today we're going to be making this floral decor for spring, and it also has a little bunny and an Easter egg in it, so it would be great for Easter as well. I have lost footage with this, and for that I apologize, but I'm still going to let you know what I did. These are little foam, and they have like a glitter paint on them, egg and Easter bunny, that I got from Dollar Tree or Dollar Store. I know it says $1 on there for the 2 bunnies and 2 eggs. And again, they're foam, styrofoam with a glitter paint. So once I get the lid off of this paint, I'm going to paint the bunny and the egg white. And then if you'll look in the left-hand corner of the screen up there, that container, it's kind of, I don't know, it would break. It's heavy. It's kind of like, I don't really know what it's made out of, if it's resin or, but I deconstructed that. That was a floral Christmas decor centerpiece that I've had forever. So I took all of the floral picks from, the Christmas out of it. And I think that's some kind of foam down inside of it that I'm going to attach. But I lost a ton of footage on this, and, aside from totally redoing the whole thing, I didn't know what to do. But once you paint this, and you have to let it dry, obviously, then I go in and I just take a Sharpie over his eye, her eye, his eye, and I paint both sides, but I don't show that. And then I paint the egg white as well, and I've already done that. And then I had where I just attached this really thin yarn. I had made one with burlap, but I'm going to use that on another project. But what I did was I took yarn and glued it to the little egg, and that's pretty self-explanatory. It's a thin white yarn, and I just took I had some ribbon, some burlap looking ribbon that had some white paint dots on it, and then I applied it. I took some little wooden balls and put those on the sticks, and then just made a little burlap or jute twine bow tie or for the rabbit. And I had a bunch of florals because I thought it needed color that I had gotten at Walmart a long time ago, and I just inserted those down into the foam and took some, put the taller ones to the back. That's more like a lavender. And then I got these on sale. They were like $97 for each bundle, but they had a big container sitting out as soon as you walked in Walmart, and they were marked down to 25 cents a bundle. So I had just grabbed a lot of those and put those, and I cut them down to size where those would be shorter. Applied those into the foam, put the bunny and the egg in the foam, and then I took some jute and wrapped around the little container that they're in. So I apologize for losing the footage, but I think this is adorable, and I hope you all will consider subscribing, hitting the like button, and hopefully my next one will be better. Thank you. Y'all have a good day.